In this video, I'm going to show you what a difference it makes if you start saving $10 a day today versus saving $20 a day later. And the results are shocking, and you will see why. Hello, my name is David Dawes. In this channel, I talk about building wealth and income from the stock market. Although I made this video for younger people, the same principle applies for any age group. For this exercise, I have selected two hypothetical examples. You can play with the numbers depending on your situation. The link to the online calculator that I'm using is provided in the description box below. Hypothetical example number one, starting today, save $10 a day, that is invest $300 a month for 40 years at 10% annual rate of return. Hypothetical example number two, start 20 years later, save $20 a day, that is $600 a month, and invest for 20 years at 10% annual rate of return. After entering the information from the hypothetical examples into the online calculator, I have summarized the results in a table that I'm going to discuss now. For example number one, if you're starting now, after 40 years of investing, the total amount of your portfolio will be $1.66 million. Your contribution is $144K, and the gain is $1.5 million. For example number two, if you're starting to invest 20 years later, and then you have invested for 20 years, the total amount of your investment portfolio will be only about $431K. Your contribution is $144K, so the interest or the gain is about $287K. If you start investing now with the above assumptions, your investment portfolio will be 3.9 times larger than if you start investing 20 years later. So the message of this video is start investing as early as possible. Use the calculator, play with the numbers, and see what works better for you. So there you have it. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Thank you.